we've had a lot of issues in the political arena. Tuatwale mechande mengi sana in the two counties chetu, county ya Kisii, county ya Nyamira, but ekorekana na Kisii nja mojiko settle bwangu nero ya anstebobe the first year wana astobo to makong kabisa Nyamira, and we are also praying na litonya kusuka towards the end of this year to sawera ba mint, especially of Mugavana na ba MCS and the leadership ya Nyamira ngima toligi enchera turakorera abantu baite gas. I keep on saying na onyenga kinere twagwanire tukorera abantu baito, it's now, because tuagete chikure sana nema. So toisokuruzie president tatigali uyo Mugavana, senator, women rep, mujumbe aba MCS, at least kangabona yana lyo muntu feel the impact yo waka ikura. They never wasted their time kwemuka kwa ndo waka chikura. So we pray that 2027 will be a year of erabe ngawake abantu ntuwaderana ili netunyale go deliver for our people. Okay, primarily that's what we are doing. Umugusi, I want to be very frank. Umugusi enchera twakole siasa ito nencherembe. Kiagera this is the second term go serve in parliament. In fact, even the first term was better. Kiagera we used to pull together. Lakini bono na tuaso ya tenga kie ya 2022 to date, our performance here was dismal. Enkepi. That's why moroche ose abantu baroche na onyendi twango takonyaro konya it's now. Lakini bona we seem to be losing our political value. That's why even the current government ya Kenya Kwanza turatebe na tigo tujali mono. You see, in two community you get what even a single PS, of course into what the Solicitor General Muske Shadrach Musi. But again, when you go, okaro tira uchiaga na bogoro na gangandu what even a permanent secretary. Mo minister to what no mo since independence to have to go to 2 ministers bago serve at the same time, whether we have 22 ministries, 21, legislative 16. Tuaga tualo nyonga tuatura nyamweya, tuatura wabo sageni, tuatura wabo manga, tuatura wabo nyachaya, tuatura wabo buocha. But this is the first time since last time tuatura mo minister wa Muskemacho Ezekiel no yoro around no gorugumigos, the word permanent secretary. Moisonde tuara appointments yakoro. They came from one region, a region ya Mount Kenya, York. Even some positions tuakare tenango ja chenge seitonchi chetior. And the reason as to why we are not able to fight na sengenche ina kwana una ntuigo tenena masa community to ruanera bantu baito. Kuru maate Bogerega, Chi County Nyanza, Mbabwate Baba. Those people are not in our campaign team. Tuengo campaign Navarro. Like today they have about 5 cabinet secretaries or 4. Toward the Attorney General, toward the Minister for Finance, toward the Minister of Energy, toward the Moscow Paranya, and toward the Joe. Those are 5 very big positions. Those people Mbarue Tigo said they never contributed much to the formation of the current government. Oisego and Lagor Mount Kenya by to very good positions actually. Mbale them taikawe, wakaande ritu KRA, wakabuata wakaira muskogoro kwa Liki Nyanji. Those people are going to abuse day in, day out. Today they are serving because of political expedience, not because number contributes anything to the current formation. Like in Aseng, we could have expected onye Uhuru Kenyatta Baruete muntu mutangani awende gutangani no musiko guru Matiang'i, but wane akoragana na Matiang'i gatumie tue wakamutumia because he was a team leader. Ase timu ile ya mwino elinde agatumeka igo wakakole campaign agatwara certain expectations nere bono akale is just like a trash can, yani mukebo uri gutumia gendo kere me watuguta ona no ati mugetega abantu bakurwana no musiko guru Matiang'i mbali bayengo kolega sana baro nere. So umugusi kind of has lost, political value. We are just supporting people tueva na intuntu wate nka gusichinga tokoro gusente wate community. Moisonde ndo yetu kwa ni president tukamusabaiche kisi elinde ate wanso mwaka, so he'll be here from 30th 31st tutani nero mwaka elinde mwaka genda. So eke toko sababu nto bitai substantial na bakoru na bone kiarwe anchete, so meaning that nekaro tuisoko ndo with a single agenda yokubona na kyogotiga mugusio yokwate chikura chinyingi. I think I can give, lakini enda sengencho muma etena siasa koba muma eteke sabugeto ketanga netienda mwam sabugeto kibwate libero ono konyora to konya kuna chana magoro weta right from nka koru the highest position yero yobo governor all the way to MCS. In fact onyendiria abantu mbali bagwenda bakora umukia onyendiria abantu anya ekisa kungero wende bakora umukia asogo ichamo na gwerwanira kiara will never produce a president, lakini tuisogo ichamo yotubwaterane about 1 million votes na bako yana ntu tubwate kwerende essay elinde tubwenera usentu asaba bantu wetu atujaika kama watoto wa community moja. Sisi kama Umugusi hatujawahi fanikiwa kufanya hivyo. Ni wakati unaangalia kwa kumbukumbu, wakati wa kina Simon Nyachae, wakati wale viongozi ambao walitutangulia. Lakini katika hizi terms mbili ambazo tumefanya, sana hii term ya mwisho hii ambao tuko nao sasa hizi, hii ndio tumeperform very poorly. Kwa hivyo sijui ni kitu gani itafanyika, sijui itakuwa ni miujiza, sijui itakuwa kivipi. Hili tuende tukae pamoja, ndio tunaweza tukatetea watu wetu sisi kama jamii la Umugusi.